Yo, this is the unboxing of the DJI Mobile. Yo, this is the unboxing of the DJI Mobile 2. Yeah? So let's have a look what we got. Oh, there we go. So this is the new mobile from the OSMO Mobile 2. So you can do it if you want to do Instagram stories. If you want to do Instagram stories or just normal recording or vlogging, which I'm going to use it for. So let's go open it up. Let's go open it up and see what we got inside. Got some documentation. And then comes in a nice carry case. So have a look inside. Ta-da! So we have a cable. I'm guessing this is for the charging, but it's not USB type C, which is a bit disappointing. It looks like the micro USB. Here's the actual gear. So it just comes out in one piece. Let's see if it's got any power. There's a button to turn it on. Got a USB port here. Maybe I should use the manual. But that's it. Yes, there's not too much in the box. The quickest unboxing ever. Let me figure out how to use it and I'll get back to you guys. Oh, it has the... On the bottom it has a normal thing, so you could add it to a tripod or something like that. So I could get a stand for it so it can stand up. Yeah. So you got to download the app. I put it on my phone. Turned it on. It says turn on the app. So download it, turn on the app. Then it goes start. It goes to have access to your thing. Then you got to put your password, your email in, sign in, and you choose. So it's the Mobile 2. Okay. So now you want to pair it. Just activating. Successfully activated. We're ready. Don't know what it's doing, it's going mental. But I think that's paired it now. Point the over to the left. Point the OSMO Mobile to left and right on up and down. Point the to yo. So I figured out after charging it for today. Figured out how to use it correctly. So what you need to do is that you need to rest it straight, put your phone into it like this. So let me put my phone into it. Put the phone into it, and when it goes flat, so the phone's not properly in, hold on. So you put the phone into it, and that the phone should rest flat like this, but it's not, as you can see. So let's turn it on and see what happens. So now you can see it's in there properly upright. The way to adjust it is that you have, there's a little one here which is the arm, and that you move out back and forth, undo it, move it back and forth, and then it will balance the phone correctly. So best to turn the app on. So you turn the app on, connect via Bluetooth to this, so you connect to device. The other thing is it stores all of the videos onto the phone app, so it doesn't store it to your normal photos like most stuff, and you need to use the application. But you can do loads of good cool stuff. You can have it do slow-mos, you can do time lapses, you can do a motion lapse, which I like. I'll just show you quickly. So you move the phone to the point that you want it to do, so you press the plus button, and then you go along to here where you want it to stop, press the plus button, that's it, and then you start, and what it does, it will record a time lapse from that point to your end point, so you can make it a bit more. And I guess you can change the settings as well. So as you can see, it's just rotating through, and then it will get to the point where I ended it, and then it's done. And then you can go into the app and watch it and stuff. You have two settings. One setting is where, I don't know if you can notice, if I scroll down, it will go down, view down. If I go to the right, it will slowly move to the right. If I go to the left, it will slowly move to the left, because it's keeping its balance. You can then press the power button and it will stay at that angle. So if you go down, up, it's still going to stay. Left or right, it will still stay in that one position. Then you can use the joystick to go up and down. Cool. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below, and then I'm going to use it. Also, one last thing, if you want to do a different orientation, there's a big knob here. There's this one which you can rotate, turn off, and then swivel the whole thing so it can go to landscape or portrait. Portrait, I think it is. But yeah. So thank you. Bye.
Don't say peace anymore.